So say hello, Cindy.
Hello.
What do you think, Les?
Looks
pretty
good.
cute, huh?
Looks good, man. I think he's gonna show it to me.
Well, you guys will be in it. Hmm? Hey, look over here, Dave.
Extra small.
Extra small. Is that what you wear?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, buddy. You got it.
So what size is that?
What size is this camera?
Is that 8mm?
Yeah, down to 4 lux. Now, you're laughing, but I've got you. Les, come back here. You, where'd he go? Oh, hi, Mike. Oh, ha, busted. You're busted, lady. Look at that coffee. Huh?
Are you really filming?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know, just you know, just to be weird. Look over here, Carrie. There you are doing your job.
Yeah.
Huh?
You put on again.
Yeah, I know. There you go. Unsafe act. What?
Is that the small one?
Uh-huh. You like it? 8mm? Well, it's like Super 8, but it's called.
Come on, man.
So, where's the donuts? What? I am a break. This is my break. So, tell me what your job is, Terry. Oh, this is great. Oh, there's people's paychecks? Okay.
My job is to hand out money.
Hand out money? Okay.
What's your job, Manny?
Oh, I'm like the, I'm a historian here. I'm recording history. Or soon to be history.
What, the post office?
Mm-hmm. This isn't Terry's regular voice.
Thank you. I am sick.
I am sick?
Busy right now. You don't have time to talk.
Stop this.
You have that on?
Yeah. Go ahead.
You want to dance?
I don't know.
No, I'll fall over.
What will Gloria say? How is she doing? She's going to the hospital Monday. Monday for surgery, huh? Poor girl. Oh, another one. There we go.
What are you doing?
Huh? I'm recording stuff for posterity. I can't even say the word. Steward. So what are you doing, Steward?
Taking a break.
Oh, okay. You really know how to use this thing?
Well enough to suit my needs.
Ooh. Morning, Hong. What? I got you on camera. I'm getting documentation here. Oh! Blackmail. What does that mean?
Come out of here.
We're back to Dave. Super Dave Osborne. Good night, good night, Stuart. Hey, ooh.
Right here, buddy.
Yeah. You look pretty
You got
good.
that on tape or what?
Yeah, I got you on tape, buddy.
Good. Get this one.
Oh, you guys are busted.
Oh, fabulous.
Huh?
Get to the toy?
Yeah. I got Picture Christmas. Oh, come on. Huh? What is what? What is what? Huh?
It uses.
Loopy. What? Oh, there's Hal. You guys are in trouble.
I know it. How dare you?
Goodbye, Grace. U of A #1? Oh, maybe.
Did you go to the game?
No, of course not. I have tickets. Yeah. No. I have to work.
Is that a movie camera?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
That's great.
That's really
Yeah.
Are we on or not?
Yeah, uh-huh. You guys are on it?
Well, hello, Manny.
Come on, Esther. Hi, Mom. Oh, this is... What do you mean? What's the some people? Hmm? Uh-huh. It'll be a short film. No. What do you guys thought?
The channel 4?
What, Esther?
You're gonna play the channel 4?
No. What do you mean play the channel 4?
And then we're doing Future Star here.
Future Star. No, no.
The TV news.
Hey, you know what?
What?
Give to Rosa for tomorrow.
Well, oh, yeah, for the shower, right?
I'm going real fast. Take one of me.
Oh, come on.
I need the help.
You need the help?
I need the help.
How was your holiday?
Very nice.
Oh, good.
And yours?
Could have been better.
Good. How's the new year going?
Oh, okay, I guess.
Okay.
Say something. What? What? What?
Are you having fun?
Yes,
I'm
of
gonna
course.
go back to work.
Is that your camera?
Uh-huh.
Does that one have sound too?
Uh-huh.
A little thing?
Right here. Cute, huh? Here's the battery. I can walk around with it. Okay. We're going into the coffee pot now. This is like investigative reporter. What?
4.
I got plenty. Go ahead, Frank. I'll follow you.
I'm one of them. Oh, they did. They were here for 7 months. But they're not here anymore.
Oh, they left?